Hey kids, how you doing? Big Papa here, and we're back at the griddle because you know how much I love the griddle. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some Huevos Rancheros. But not just any Huevos Rancheros. We're making Huevos Rancheros with some competition brisket left over. People ask you, what do you do with your leftover meat? I like to come up with little recipes for it. Now, I want to be full disclosure here. There's a wonderful cook in Texas, Ernest Cervantes, burnt bean. Ernest keeps showing these beautiful pictures of his brisket Huevos Rancheros. So let's start by sauteing some onions and red peppers. Now I'm going to hit them with a little Louis. Okay, so this is going to take just a little bit, so I'll take you through the recipe. We got some eggs, we have a very nice salsa, avocado, finely grated cotija cheese, crema, quesadilla cheese, tostadas. So I've got my brisket here, and then I have some hallelujah. Then I have some nice finely chopped sweet onion, cilantro, micro cilantro. So the thing that takes longest to cook about this is sauteing the peppers and onions. Okay, I think we can start now. Oh, hallelujah. Salt, pepper, garlic, a bunch of secret things, but jalapeno pepper. You're looking great. Let's cook up this brisket. This is a real breakfast, so we're going to go for 4 slices. Okay, let's do this quickly. Layer of black beans. Can't have too many beans, right? Oh, it looks like one for the cook. Salsa, eggs, cotija cheese. Oh, I think I'm going to hit it with just a little more salsa. Cotija. Cilantro and onion. And some crema. There you have it.